Hey folks, I have a new problem I wanted to solve. I have a time-stamped transcript of a Zoom recording, and I wanted to very quickly extract all the timestamps from this file. So it's a Google Doc, it's a transcript that Zoom recorded, and using the closed caption feature of Zoom, it created this file, which I copied and pasted into a Google Doc. And what I wanted to do was remove these timestamps. So I went to AppScript and I wrote an AppScript. Actually, ChatGPT helped me write this. And basically, we're getting the body text of the document, and then we're defining a regular expression to look for that exact format for the timestamp. And then we're iterating through every paragraph, and if it matches that, we get rid of it. So let's see what happens. Click run. Oh, it says it's removed it. Come back here. Voila. So in just a couple seconds, I've been able to go ahead and get rid of all of the timestamps and have a document that I can now use